Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to open up the settings. Here scroll down and look for the apps category. At the apps category you want to go for the default apps. Here choose browser app, and all that it's left to do is to tap on Opera, therefore select it. And that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser. There is also a second way to do that directly from the Opera browser itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner tap on your avatar, gear icon that stands for settings, and at the settings page scroll all the way down until you stumble upon the default browser. Click on next, select Opera and tap on set as default, and that will also mean that you have successfully set Opera application as your default browser on this Motorola device. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching and bye bye.